Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of working with Python, today we are seeing pandas libraries, comparing the two pandas series. So basically what we have to do is we are given two sample series and we have to compare and see what are they equal, are they greater than one another, or are they less than, the first one's greater than the second one, or the first one's less than the second one. So we have to check basically this stuff over this two sample series. So let's get started. What I have done over here is I have just copied the sample series in the comment section so that I can take it as a reference over here. First we'll import the library, import pandas as pd. Now what I'll do is I'll take the sample series. So let's name the series 1 as series 1 pd.series. We'll just write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then we have series 2 equals to pd.series 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So first what we'll do is we'll print the series so that we have in our output know that what are the series that we are printing. So we'll just print series 1 and print series 2. So we have printed the series. Now we'll do the comparison. Of series. First we'll compare equals. What we'll do is let's take a print statement. Okay. Two series equal we'll get our answer over here. Print series 1 equals to series 2. We are directly using the variables over here. Let's just check and see what output actually we are getting. Oh sorry, this should be capital. Yeah. So as you can see over here, we have taken two different series, and so what it's doing is, are the two series equal? Then it will check every single element. So 2 is similar to 1, no, then it gives false. Then 4 and 3, no. 6 and 5, no. 8 and 7, no. 10 and 9, no. So it will give all the values as false. The data type of it is a boolean, so we'll get in the answer as false or true. Now let's see another stuff. Less than comparison operator. Now print less than says series element less than the second one. We're just throwing a question over here in the output section to see that what we are like differing from. Like here we saw equals and then we are saying less than, from like first series less than or second or not, and then what we directly take variables in print series 1 is less than series 2. Fine. And then we know that we are anticipating the output. So let's take this. So this is over here is series element less than the second one. So we have 2 is greater than 1, not less than 1. 4 is greater than 1, not less than 3. 6 is greater than 5, not less than 8. 8 is also greater than 7. 10 is also greater than 9. So again all the answers are in form of boolean false. Now we take the third comparison operator as greater than. We print this series greater than the second one then series 1 greater than series 2, and we run it. You can see okay, series 5. You can see over here 2 is greater than 1, so we are returning the value true. Then 4 is greater than 3, again we are getting the value true. Then 6 is greater than 5, true. 8 is greater than 7, true. 10 is greater than 9, again true. We got all the true boolean values. Now it depends on the series. Every time it's not similar that you will get, like if you are keeping over here 3 and here 4 and then running the program, you will see that the one value is changed and other all are remaining true. So it's not necessary that in a series either all are true or either all are false. Either it can be true, some trues and some false, or in series like all trues or all false. So every method is possible. So this is how you compare elements of two series. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content from Technostick. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.